Hey guys, back again here, Retro Collectibles, with another video. It's been a while since my last one because in the last few weeks I got married, so I needed to take some time away so that I could do that. And a great day, the whole bloody thing was fantastic. So yeah, honeymoon, but yes, so that's why I had to take some time off, but I'm back now and ready to do another video. This one is going to be a ice hockey box break from, I got it from DC Collectibles right here. Good company. So I figured go a box from them, the Upper Deck 2020-2021 ice hockey Young Gun rookie cards. So don't know a lot about the ice hockey. I do follow it, but I'm not very up to date with the plays and stuff, so interesting to see what I get in these cards. If there's anyone really good, let me know. Here we go. I've got 7 packs to open up, so we'll start off with this one. Why not? Let's see what we get. Okay, first pack done. We've got okay, just some standard like Anders Bjork, just a checklist. Matt Roy. I might just go, what I'll do is I'll show you what the standard base cards are and who I've got, and then I'll show you if I get a really nice looking card, who that is. And these are just all the base cards here. Matt Roy, Anders Bjork, as I said, Ryan Graves, Andre Burkowski, Rasmus Anderson, and Zendo Chara. But the fancy looking card that I got in this pack is Jack Hughes Dazzlers from, he was at the New Jersey Red Devils, I think they are. So is this a good player? This is a good card? Not too sure. I like the green on it, so yay for one nice cool looking card. Okay, second packet. As I said, I'm not overly up to date with players, so if there's anyone really cool that you reckon I've got in here, just let me know. Okay, these are all no, go this one. We've got David Krejci, not sure how you pronounce that, Nikita Kucherov, Thomas Chabot, Sean Caroli, Elias Peterson, Nicholas Backstrom, and Valerie Nikuchiskin. Did I say that right? Probably not. But the nice card I got in that one is a Young Guns Mackenzie Entwistle. It's a nice one here. Mackenzie Entwistle. Hopefully he'll be a good guy, good player in years to come. Fingers crossed. Okay, that's pack number 2. Pack number 3. What are we going to get in this? It's so difficult to open up a lot of these cards, a lot of these packs, depending on what they are. I think these are just all standard base cards. So the first one I've got is Antoine. Well, I'll go for this way. Zach Aston Reese, Leon Draisaitl. You guys can see him. You know who he is. Nico Hischier, Jesperi Kotkaniemi. God, these are difficult names to read. Evgeny Kuznetsov, Milan Lukic. So he's been playing a while. I'm not sure how this guy's a young gun. It says he's been playing in the league 13 years. Can you be considered a young gun if you've been playing in the league for 13 years? I'm not too sure. Sean Monahan and Antoine Roussel. So, yes. Yet to see. See, I've followed the Detroit Red Wings. Yet to see any Detroit Red Wings players come up in this lot. And as I say that, I see one right here. So what do we got? These look like all base. First one is Madison Bowie. Got James Van Riemsdyk. Ivan Barbashev. Patrick Lane. Easy to say. That's nice. Carl Hagelin. Johnny Gaudreau. Marc-Andre Fleury. And Connor Helbig. How hard are these names to pronounce? Okay, I've got 3 more packs to open up here. Getting through it, guys. Getting through it. What do we got here? Anyone good? Anything good? Nothing. Okay, here we go. We got Patrick Maroon. Easy name to pronounce. Jonathan Huberdeau. Malcolm Subban, yes. Brandon Montour. Adam Gaudet. Jacob Rana. Kyle Connor. And Ryan Reeves. From the Golden Knights. Still not quite sure how Las Vegas has an ice hockey team, considering it's the desert. But hey, who am I to argue with the NHL? Okay, have we got anything, any cool looking cards? Okay, I got another young gun here. Okay, the first one here is Damon Severson. Malcolm Blackwood, Justin Hall, Tucker Pullman, Jake Musin, Robin Lehner, and Austin Matthews. Finally, a pack of cards where all the names are easy to pronounce. And the young gun card I got here is David Case from the Flyers. Put that there. Getting through it, guys. Okay, final pack to open up from Upper Deck 2021 Hockey Series 2 Young Guns. Okay, here we go. Drum roll. Any amazing cards? Okay, here we got Cody Glass. We got Nick Paul. We got Antti Ranta. We got Derek Stepan. Patrick Marleau. Got Kale Maker, Shea Theodore, and Jordy Ben from the Canucks. Well, there you go. That was my box break of my NHL. Let me say it again. Ice hockey cards NHL break. Yeah, don't have a lot of ice hockey cards in my sports card collection, but it's nice to have these. So I'll show you guys again. These were the nice cards I got out of that set in David Case, Mackenzie Entwistle, and Jack Hughes. So yeah, let me know what you think. If there was any good plays in that lot. Any worth holding on to? Probably end up holding on to all of them, but you know, what can I say? So that's nice to learn more of these players. So, ooh, don't fall. Alright guys, well that was me, the Retro Collectibles, showing you another video of some box breaks. If you liked the video, let me know. Comment and like down below, and I will see you next time. See ya.